fight exposes suspect's darker plan.
Yeah? Can I talk to you over about a car quick?
Yes, sir.
Gotcha. Can you just hang out for a minute, man? What's the deal, man?
Oh, nothing.
Okay.
Putting people in their place.
Yeah, dude, he just walked up and that guy's nose is all bloody.
Can you just hang out for a minute, man?
There's shit all over the
What's the
floor.
deal, man?
Oh, nothing.
Okay.
Putting people in their place.
Full screening.
Chauffeur. What happened that made you do that?
We just got in an altercation. It was short. Nothing happened. That's all I got to say about it.
Okay. What are you guys arguing about?
Just who I am.
Nothing happened. His nose is bloody. And it's a whole commotion. What do you mean nothing happened?
As far as
Who I am.
Bro, you have blood on your shirt. You have blood on your shirt, brother.
you guys are arguing about who you are?
Who I am.
Okay. Philip, right?
Yes, sir. You know my name. You know who I am. This is me. This is my world.
Oh my god, he's delusional.
You pop him in the nose, or what's the deal with that? There's blood on your sweatshirt. He's got bloody nose.
It was fair.
It's fair.
It was fair. Sure you understand about that. I know how you play.
I'm trying to figure out what
Oh, you
happened.
play?
I love the fight that happened here, so I just want to get...
Dude, he really thinks he's about to just walk away and be cool about this. Because it's justified that you punch him in the face. Assault's okay.
Sad story. That's all.
Yes, sir. It was fair. That's all I got to say about it.
Did he hit you at all? You hurt? Anything like that?
No, we hurt. It was fair. That's all I got to say about it.
Okay. Call it even.
It doesn't get you out of this, you dumbass.
That's all I got to say about it.
All right, Philip, hang tight. Hold up, Philip.
He's gone. He's good.
Walking away.
It was fair, bro.
Touch me, I will torture you for eternity.
Oh, there's a threat. That was quick.
Okay, you're not gonna fight me. We're gonna stay over here.
No,
Dude, I will torture you for eternity is crazy to an officer. Oh my god.
eternity. You understand me?
9-6, step it up. We're not doing this.
Dude, he's got blood all over. Dude, there's no way this is that much longer for this little guy. I mean, they gotta get him quick.
9-9, give me more units here. Go. Man, you're stopping. You understand that?
Hey! Stop!
We're on, put that away. You're good.
3 guys on him.
Philip, relax.
Alright, I'm gonna tease him.
No. Yep. Philip, stop, you're getting tased.
Do it.
Do it.
Tried.
Actually, I haven't. Stop!
Yes, you did. You're a lying bitch.
Oh, I'd be tasing right there. Oh, wow, how are you gonna... I have a taser to your ass, and then you're gonna call me a lying bitch? That's crazy. This guy's on a whole nother level.
12-5-1, code 45.
9-6, we have him under continue your response. He's not restrained. Number 196. Oh, yeah.
Do it.
Just tase him. What are we fucking waiting for?
Now you're mine.
Tase him.
So fucking afraid.
Come on. This is boring.
You're gonna get tased.
Touched on him.
There we go.
All right.
Oh, okay, it worked. All right. Dude, he was all ready for it too. He taps out immediately. All right.
All right.
Stop! Stop, dude. Got it. All right. Everybody good over here? Johnny, you good? Yeah. There's a guy up there with the Reagans.
Oh, dude, his headphones, they're broken for sure.
I gotta talk to him yet.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off his taser. We gotta get that probe out of him.
Yeah, you're good. Philip, you gonna be cool?
Oh, dude, I would hate that. Would hurt so bad, I bet, to get tased. I bet it would sting. And then you just see the marks there for weeks.
You guys are puppies.
Yeah, you'll have that.
I'm a this is me, bitch. I'm everything.
Come here. There.
I think I should have been locked up.
Andrew. Okay, over here.
You guys are in fear. Oh, I'm gonna torture you. You're so good.
What's that?
You heard what I said. You're just trying to not make it look so bad on you. 3 cops, 1 god.
You're gonna hang around. Sounds like there's maybe a fight early.
3 cops, 1 dangerous. And then he's just out here punching people in the face thinking it's okay.
Or something. Huh? Okay. Between you and him? Okay. What happened there?
Well, I was pacing back and forth like I usually do, and
Oh, this guy just seems like a nice guy that was just innocently sitting out here and got popped in the face.
he's got some mental issues.
Is that something you want to pursue charges for? Okay.
Oh,
All he
man.
did was hit you in the nose.
I'm not really sure how I got a bloody nose. I know I scraped my hand on the wall. I'll fuck you for entertainment and I'll torture them too. How does that sound?
Did you give him permission to hit you?
Ugh, dude, I feel like a sexual threat to an officer should be worse. That's gross.
Did it cause you pain? Huh? Not really?
Not really. It's not the first bloody nose I've ever had.
Dude, yeah, I feel like you should get big time for like talking shit and stuff. Because unless you can just start tasing people immediately without any warning. But that seems a little bit worse.
He got hit in the nose. He doesn't really know how. But you two were fighting. It didn't cause him pain. He gave no permission. However, he doesn't wish to pursue charges.
You guys get a search on him?
What kind of checklist is this?
Okay. Okay. What's your name?
Widen your feet. Widen your feet.
Dude, last time they like pressured him to make him make charges so that they could arrest him, which I thought was crazy. But they might do it again.
Shoes right between your legs.
Your mother raised you.
He does not wish to pursue charges reference to fight.
His mother probably did raise him. I don't know if she was a bitch or not, but yeah, I mean he's half right about that.
No? Alright. You want a med for anything? You gotta check out your nose or nothing?
I think it's broken.
You don't think?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Doesn't feel like it's broken.
So here's the deal. If it is broke, let us know. If you change your mind or whatever, reach out to us, okay?
Alright.
Good? Yep. Alright, man. You take care then. Can we go get you cleaned up or anything? Why don't you just go get wiped off?
Better let him go.
Dude, such a nice guy. And mean people like that just be hurting everyone because he thinks he's a god. Like, what a loser.
I live forever. What you stand for? And pigs want to play both sides? I'll show you both sides.
Any of you guys see the fight between those two?
We have camera footage.
The whole thing.
Oh, there you go.
No one here hit me, but he got my.
Oh, hell yeah. I love when they do this.
Okay, let me pull up my camera here real quick. Okay, I'll hit play if I can scooch in there.
Ooh, some camera brawling in this bitch. Oh, I don't like this. I can't see chat.
Remember what your number is on your, pardon? Oh, 15. Yeah.
Oh, he kind of fought back. Well, that's good. Or was that not him? Hold up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe that was him.
Okay.
Number 11?
Wow. At least it's all on video. That's sick.
Your number 11?
How does this keep going?
Are you sure?
Oh, I'll be fine.
Let's go in our ambulance. We can
No,
at
I'll
least
be
check your
okay.
vitals, okay?
No, I'll be okay.
Come on, let's go in the ambulance.
No one's checking me out. I'll be okay.
Alright, fine. Okay. We're not gonna fight you over that.
Yeah, you already have enough coming to you.
Can I at least get your name?
He's got like some terminal main character syndrome. It's just like way too much. He's like in the center of a real life like anime.
Date of birth for my report.
Nope.
Are you sure? Can I get that at
Go
least?
f yourself. You're in on it too.
Okay.
In on it.
Go fuck.
Yeah, yep, yes, he did.
Well, that works for me.
Oh my god.
Easy for you.
I live forever. Fucking torture. You wanna fucking play that side, bitch? Torture.
Andrew, I'm just gonna grab a picture quick of your beak, okay?
Dude, like he actually thinks he's a god. He's like saying like torture, like he's choosing like naughty list. Torture for life. Which I guess makes him a god? Just because he can decide that?
I couldn't really tell you.
Okay. So what's the
Oh,
straight
my
from
cat.
Right from the wall over there.
Gonna wait for him to depart. Okay, he moves kind of slow.
Okay. Did you fall in the wall after that?
Well, I grabbed onto him and I pushed him up against the wall.
Okay. And that's how you got that?
Okay, yeah, it was him pushing on the wall. Good. Yeah, he fought back. That's really good. I'm glad he did, because it just seemed like he came up whack.
He's going to jail, so right. And hopefully he's banned from here. Behavior's not warranted here. But you know it's him that hit you, right? Okay. All right.
Why are you just trying to double confirm that now, brother? What?
I've shown you that before, and I don't think you remember it. I will torture you every day for the rest of your fucking lives now.
Hi, I'm Officer Thierry. I just saw that you
He's
kind of
mad.
stepped in during that fight, so I was wondering if you could tell me what it was that happened.
Yeah, he was attacking like a few people or whatever.
Which one was? The one with the backpack or the other one?
Not Andrew, the other one.
Yeah, okay. What do you mean by he was attacking a...
Dude, what is this place? And what darker plan? What, he just thinks he's a god?
I'll be here till 6 in the morning.
You got children?
I do not.
You got a wife?
Nope.
We'll see one day, won't we?
Huh?
You heard me.
Huh? What's that, bud?
Philip, you gonna be cool with me to take you up?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
You've already had our meeting.
Dude, he's trying so hard to be creepy. It's like really cringy. And I don't know what kind of darker plans this is supposed to.
Or a small shift in body language. You don't have to be a cop to notice this. You just have to.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I don't really like the title on that one too much. And street fight? I mean, come on. Come on. Anyway, that was the first one on Midwest that I've ever had like a negative comment. That's the first one. So that's pretty good.
It's 2026.
All right. I was excited for this one. It's going to be a shorter, or not shorter. It's a really small channel, 5.9K subs. So this will be hopefully really good. Not a lot of filler, I'm hoping.